Question number 9. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 complete 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay. The time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank is x hours. In 1 hour, how much portion of the tank be filled by the smaller tap? That is 1 upon x. The same way, the larger tap to fill the tank taken x minus 10 hours. In 1 hour, how much portion of the tank to be filled by the larger tap? That is 1 upon x minus 10. In the question it is given to you, the larger tap as well as the smaller tap all together fill the tank in 9 complete 3 upon 8 hours. It is given to you. So write it here. Time taken by smaller and the larger tap together to fill the tank is 9 complete 3 by 8 hours given to you. This one I can write it 9 into 8 72, 72 plus 3 that is 75 upon 8 hours we can write it. Okay. In 1 hour how much part of the tank to be filled by the smaller and the larger tap together? In 1 hour how much portion of the tank to be filled? Write it here. Portion of tank filled by larger and smaller tap together in 1 hour. In 1 hour how much portion of the tank to be filled? This one to be written reciprocal. So that 8 upon 75. Okay. See why I have changed this everything in 1 hour. See, add this one, larger tap and the smaller tap in 1 hour portion, which is equal to the portion of the tank filled by the larger and the smaller tap all together. According to the question, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. The portion of the tank filled by the smaller tap in 1 hour, larger tap in 1 hour, all together. That's why I have done addition here, is equal to what? The portion of the tank filled by both the pipes in 1 hour, that is 8 upon 75. Now check the denominators, both are different, so that I have to take the LCM. 1 into x minus 10, x minus 10. 1 into x is x upon, multiply this one, x square minus 10x is equal to 8 upon 75. Yes. X plus x 2x minus 10 upon x square minus 10x is equal to 8 upon 75. Do the cross multiplication. 75 into 2, that is what? 150 x as it is, minus 10 into 75, 750 is equal to 8 into x square, 8x square, minus 10 into 8x, that is minus 80x. Okay. Take it on side, 8x square, this plus 150 goes outside, minus 150. So minus 150 minus 80 all together gives you minus 230. X minus 750 goes outside, plus 750 is equal to what? 0. This equation is divided by 2, so that you will get 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equal to 0. Now I got the quadratic equation. 4x square minus 115x plus 375 is equal to 0. In multiplication what I need? 4 into 375. In multiplication I need 1500. In addition I need minus 115. Such kind of numbers I am going to write, so that I have to use prime factorization method. That is 1500. It can be divisible by 2. So 7 times, this is what 5, 0. Again it is divisible by 2. So 3, 7, 5. Again it is divisible by what? 5 we can tell, 5. 7 5 is 35, 2 is remaining, 5 5 is. So again it is divisible by 5. So 5 means how many times? Only 1 and 15. Again it is divisible by 5, so 3 times. So now you check which kind of numbers we are going to write it here. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 5, that is what? 100. Then 5 into 3, 15. So one number I am going to take 100, another one is 15. I need in addition minus 115. So I am keeping negative sign in both the numbers. Then I am going to write that equation. 4x square, in a place of minus 115x, I am writing minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 is equal to 0. In these two terms, what is common? 4 and x is common. So take it out. What is remain over there? X minus 25. Yes. Minus 15 I am going to take out from these two numbers. So you will get x minus 25 is equal to 0. Here what is common factor? X minus 25. So take it out. What is left over? 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. Each factor I am going to equate with 0 so that I will get the x value. X minus 25 is equal to 0. X is equal to what? Plus 25. 4x minus 15 is equal to 0, so that x value is 15 upon 4. 3.75. So okay. I got two x values. Last write the answer. Time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank is 25 hours. Time taken by larger tap to fill the tank is minus 10. That is 25 minus 10. X minus 10 we have taken. So that is 15 hours. Why I am cancelling this factor 4x minus 15? Because x value I got 3.75. So smaller tap taken the time to fill the tank is 3.75 hours. The larger tap takes the time to fill the tank is x minus 10, that is 3.75 minus 10. It will come in negative. The time cannot be negative value. That's why I have cancelled out this 4x minus 15 factor. So finally your answer is 25 hours taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank, and the larger tap taken the time to fill the tank is 15 hours. Thank you.